ìròyìn ayọ̀ rèé o gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad o Brekete ti gbé ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad dé ọ̀dọ̀ ààrẹ Tinubu báyìí o ó túmọ̀ sí wípé láìpẹ́ Mohbad yóò get justice tó deserve. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Digi Naija Television. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tẹ subscribe button tó wà ní abẹ́ fídíò yìí. Ẹ like fídíò yìí, ẹ drop gbogbo èrò ọkàn yín sí comment kẹ́dẹ̀ máa pín fídíò yìí káàkiri. Ẹ wo gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mà ti wá ń lójú túbọ̀ báyìí díẹ̀díẹ̀ o. Minister for Information ní Nàìjíríà Mohammed Idris ló wà ní orí ètò Brekete live lónìí ọjọ́ Tuesday ọjọ́ 13 oṣù kejì yìí níbi tí bàbá Mohbad ti rí àǹfààní láti brief lórí ikú tó pa Mohbad. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ẹ jájọ gbọ́ gbogbo àlàyé tó ṣe fún Minister for Information.
My brothers, my sisters, they get one other case, even though I have been trying to reach a Lagos State governor yesterday, Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Unfortunately, they're busy. They can't send me the number of the Commissioner of Information, Lagos State. And this another case where I want to make presidency put mouth. Because every single human being life for this country, they're very important, sir. You get one young man will die for in prime. The young man named Mohbad. And the people they suspect say na killed and killer. Police don't start investigation even though police no handle and well, sir. Place where like here now, may person die here, God forbid. There nobody go use this studio tomorrow to do program or even today. As soon as police enter the place, they go seal up the place until they finish investigation. According to report we receive, police no seal up Mohbad house even for 1 minute. Activities continue and people they suspect that for inside in house they kill him because his father come from Lagos. Baba Mohbad there for studio. Okay, Baba Mohbad is here, sir. He come to cry, say, nah, he be like, say, no, sit down, sir. Okay, come forward, sir, come forward. He talk, say, he be like, say, nah, kill the killing son. Wait him give and that hunch, nah, be say, when they tell and say, make you come, say, in son no well. After he waka, he can't go, the microphone, they, yes, sir. This man go in son house, sit down, sir. According to them, he climbed up to enter in son room where him and his son they talk privately normally when he go. You see the bedsheet soaked in blood. If they look around, they wonder where this blood come up from. According to them, he say now somebody shout from outside, say the dead body there outside though. Let's say where they tell me say they sick, dead body there outside. He say by the time he come, the dead body don't dey by the staircase. They don't do local embalmment. They don't embalm them. He say more than 50 to 70 celebrities don't fool that compound. And he will be the father. He never come. They don't embalm the boy. He say in the suspect say na kill, they kill him. But he don't know who kill him. They rely on the federal government to unravel the mystery behind his son's death. Even though some people they fight him. Some people will be say fingers don't they go towards their direction. Don't they use social media, they use other things. In fact, the last thing where I intercept now be say those people where they support that person where then they wave finger don't they point at them because not be one person with they suspect. They don't they gather 20,000 naira. They go and give the person, make it take and defend himself. 20,000 naira from 100 people have been a amen. I get the recording here. But sir, honorable minister, sir, that young man no suppose just die anyhow. This na country when we say every human life they valuable. Baba Mohbad, you go use 5 minutes or 10 minutes, make you summarize this matter so that the honorable minister go take him back to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If presidency never entered the matter before, now then go enter the matter, because the way president children, they important to them. Now so your own children, they important to you. Over to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Good morning to you, sir, Honorable President, and I greet you, Minister for Information. I'm very happy by seeing myself in the midst of the Brekete family. I say good morning to every one of you, sir. So my name is Aloba Joseph. On the 12th of September, the Mohbad mother called me on phone and he said my son was sick. With the way they interpret the call, I was shocked because it was so bitterly the way she called me. So when I left home, we meet at the bus stop, and according to them, they say we should meet at nearby to the hospital, which is at the island. So by 7 o'clock, we are there. We now call, they call my wife also, say, so person is in so hospital. We are at the bus stop now. Please send someone to come and pick us here. That is where they hear my voice. And they said, Daddy, everything is okay. The person is referring to the treatment, so we can go home. By hearing what this person was saying, I know there is something is fishing there, because the way they are calling their mother was so different to what they are saying now. I decided to go and see my son's house. When I reached there, I met a lot of people. I was confused. What is going on here? My intention is to go and meet him in where we normally meet, at his room. When I reach there, I see a bed sheet soaked with blood. They are calling me, say, "Dear, come and Daddy, see the body here." Body. When I now come back and I saw the body where they kept it, they have already embalmed him, and I saw a lot of celebrity there. What is going on? Is that what you told me? And I said a nurse came inside and inject him. Who invited the nurse? And they said it's unqualified nurse. So I was shocked. And I said, okay, the next thing to do, let me take the body to police station. When I reached police station, they said I should write a statement. I was trying to just let them know that I was unable to write. They should help me to write. And I dictate to them. After written, everything finished. So somebody just come from another office, and I said they should not grant me that police report. And I said, why? They now asked me a question. Said, Daddy, where did you report when this event happened? And I said, I'm a stranger here. I just come to visit my son, and this is what I met. The body is outside. They said they cannot give me the police report. I was so disappointed then. And I said, what am I going to do? Okay, let me take the body to the mortuary. On my way going, we spent like almost 3 hours at the police station, delaying me there. When it was around 3 o'clock in the midnight, so I reached hospital, the mortuary, and I gave them the complaint of what I passed through. And they told me that this is their procedure, that I should present them the police report or doctor report, which I was unable to present anything. But it was later that I know that the wife of my son have the doctor report, which they not present to me. So by rejecting the body at the mortuary, I don't know what to do anymore. That is how I decide, okay, let me go and bury the body, so that the mortuary people did not accept the body from me. That is what I passed through.
So now because they reject the dead body from mortuary,
yes, sir.
Now make you say, make you go bury him.
As a Yoruba, because that kind of death is not what a father can be seen. So that is how I decided, okay, let me go and bury the body.
So now because they reject the dead bodies,
yes,
you not get that certificate, you not get a police report. And the police reject you.
Yes, sir.
Police no agree follow you go mortuary.
So I was even intent that maybe they will detain every one of us because
Yes.
this is a celebrity and you have a case in that place also.
Okay.
They write a petition for them that someone is after his life. And no response.
Mohbad been write
Yes.
petition
Yes.
to the same police station.
The same
that
police station.
someone
That's the nearby
is
to
after his
to
life.
house. Yes. No response.
And eventually the petitioner now don't die.
Petition was out.
Okay, thank you very much, Baba Mohbad. We make our call the Honorable Commissioner of Information, Lagos State,